Right, so it's obviously turning it, but I think I know what the problem was. The problem was I actually had the connections in wrong, so only one of them was working, and I believe the only one that was working was this one, and that's why it was cooking. The other ones were cold because they weren't even being operated. It's me, the dumbo, who's using different outputs for the testing and the actual coil. And you can see that the power pack basically just keeps resetting. Right, yeah, they're all getting warm relatively equally. I'm trying to see if the top ones are getting warm too, but they feel cold still, so I'm still not sure. But they are all getting warm. Let's turn the power pack off, or else I'm going to just cook things. It's a good job it's got a blooming reset, or else I'd just blow them. Yeah, but yeah, I need to adapt the software so that it doesn't do just a straight BLDC. It has to include the PWM. Right, let me just change the... Yeah. Right, give me a sec.